Hi there, it's Shell, and today we are going to work on making, if I can get this back for you so you can see what I'm doing, making a cover for our burlap and lace journal. So I'm going to show you what I did. I have some, it's kind of like, somebody told me what it was, I can't remember, but it's like a stiff, kind of, they use it for making bowls, like fabric bowls. And it's like a stiff, somewhat stiff, pliable bowl material. I don't know. I'll look it up and I'll put it in the link below if I remember. So anyways, I did find this, or I had this in my stash. And I went ahead and I cut this down. I cut it down to about 7.5 by 10.5, I think. But, you know, do whatever size your book is. And that's what I'm going to do. I really like it. It's a little bit wrinkled, but I think it will kind of relax, you know, once I get it sewn on. So the thing is, I want to, you know, think about where I'm going to add burlap. Because I want to make sure I have some burlap and lace here. So I did have this piece of burlap, and I thought that might look kind of neat. So, and I might go ahead and do that. I'm still kind of up in the air. I have made one or two, and I have a couple kind of figured out, you know, what I want to do. But this one, for some reason, is eluding me. Probably because I did all my ideas first, you know, for my other books. So let's see if I can kind of cut this a little bit straighter and see what we can. Oh, what do you need? These? Oh.
I was actually saying hi. So.
Oh, Clint said hi. So it's Tuesday and we got to stay home today, which is nice. We had a lot of stuff to get done. And before the next storm comes in, which I think, well, it was actually storming a while ago. I ran up to see one of my friends and take her some puffball mushrooms. If you guys know what puffball mushrooms is, they are huge, and we found some massive ones yesterday. So she loves them. So I took them up the road to her, and it was just storming. Okay, so my thought is, I want to go ahead and put stuff on here before I sew the inside piece. And I do have another piece of this fabric. Here it is. For the inside. So, and yeah, it's wrinkled. But what I did last time is I just went ahead, put it on this, mine just went totally blank. But I put it on this stuff. And someone had told me what it was before. Anyways, I want to go ahead and sew the front. See, my train of thought just went away. Okay, and I think I'm going to go ahead and just sew around it real quick. See what we can do. With a, actually I'm not, am I? I'm going to sew this part on, the burlap piece. Go ahead and sew the burlap piece on first, and then if I kind of just go along it, and then I'll figure out if I want to put lace or whatever else I want to put on this piece. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to use a straight stitch, and let me get you guys kind of situated. Okay, so I'm just going to use a straight stitch, and I'm just going to go down both sides of this burlap. And hopefully it'll come out somewhat straight when I'm done here. No guarantees with me. Then I'm just going to go down this side and then back down the other edge. am just using some pink fabric or thread. I think that'll be just fine. Okay. Certainly not perfect, but you know what? None of us ever are we? Okay, so now I have some of lace and stuff. I'm just going to kind of look and see what I want. Like a, you know, a section of it or whatever. So let's, I think that will work. And I really like that. I think it's pretty simple, but it's really cute. So let's go ahead and do that. And we'll sew that on. I don't think I'm going to move it this time. I'm just going to sew it real quick. Yeah, I think that will work. Okay. Just going to sew across the top. Okay, so let's see. Okay. That looks pretty. I like that. Okay, so now I am going to go find a tie. I need a tie for this one. And when I put it like together, the front and the back, because I want to, you know, put a tie on it, I like that. I think that looks really cute. So let me figure out what I'm going to use for a tie, and I'll be right back, and we'll finish our cover. Okay, so what I did is, again, I found this really fun piece, and it's just really kind of dainty, and I have no clue where it came from, but I really felt like it went well with this color. So I just kind of layered that. I'm going to layer this on top, and I'm going to do my best to just go around it before cutting it. So we'll see how that works.
That's pretty.
I think it'll work okay. Let's kind of tack it at the corners maybe. So it's just it's really fun though. We really, you know, I've really enjoyed working on these. And, you know, I know some of you guys, and I appreciate you guys so much for worrying about me and stuff, but I'm not doing more than, you know, I feel like I can. And like this one will be up on Thursday. I'll probably go ahead and do Fridays today. And it's just, you know, I was going to play anyway, so I may as well just record for you guys. So that's the way I look at it. This piece I think needs to go over further. And we'll see what we, you know, can do here. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to put you guys back down. I don't know that you can really see what I'm doing, but I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just kind of aiming for the edge. This is typically what a lot of us do when we're sewing these journals. And I'm just doing a zigzag all the way around, so. what I'm doing is with my finger, I'm just kind of feeling. You guys can't even see what I'm talking about, but uh-oh, what happened? Well, that doesn't make any sense, does it? Okay, I don't know. I don't know what happened. So I'm going to go ahead and sew around it, fix my machine, sew around it. Let me show you what I've done so far. And we'll be right back. My machine just messed up, so I'm going to fix that. You guys can't see really what I'm doing anyways, so I'll be right back. Okay. I got it. I went all the way around. I think it looks pretty. So I sewed my lace up into my seam there, but I think I can fix it. You guys know I'm not a sewer. I mean, I've sewn through my, you know, on and off, but I'm not a professional by any means. So doing that was no surprise. Okay, so now I'm just going to trim around right up to that seam. And hopefully it'll fit my book. I'm going to be sad if it doesn't. So I hope you guys are having a good week. I've got to talk to a few of you, and that was fun. I enjoy our chats and stuff. A few of you, I've been checking on a few of you. You've been checking on me, and I really appreciate it. We're really, like I said, really, really busy this time of year, and it looks like we'll be going to Durango and then to Farmington possibly tomorrow or later in the week. So we'll have to see what Clint's gonna call around and see, you know, what people need and things before we make the trip to Farmington and Durango and stuff. We are supposed to have bad weather again, so we shall see what the rest of the week holds for us. Clint has been working on his ink blenders, so some of you will be getting messages. I think I have 3 going out, 3 or 4. So some of you will be getting messages shortly after I get them ready. But today has been a nice day. Clint had to work a little bit this morning, but not a whole lot. And then we were resting and, you know, doing the dishes and laundry and get caught up on stuff that we don't have the strength for the rest of the week. And yeah, busy, busy. Oh. Let's see. I know there's probably an easier way to do this, and I appreciate you guys saying there is no right way. There might not be a right way, but there's probably an easier way. But you know what? This just goes to show you that if you're not a professional, you can still do this, you know. Look at me. Like Miss Gayle always says, I bumble my way through. Me too, Gayle. Me too.
Boy, that's a God's honest truth.
She always makes me laugh.
She's hilarious.
Yeah, I love her. I usually watch Gayle when I go to bed at night, because when I am crafting, I'm crafting with you guys, so I can't watch her while I'm, you know, on here with you and talking to you. So I do watch her so I can pay attention to what she's saying, because I like, to me it's like I'm listening to a friend, talking to a friend, and catching up, you know, with the day's events, or, you know, where she's been or what she's doing next. So I don't like to, you know, even though it's a craft with me, I like to kind of just watch her. Okay, that doesn't look half bad. What do you guys think? Okay, shall we test it out and see if our signatures are going to fit?
Well, that's gonna suck if it don't.
Thanks for having faith, honey.
Hey, that's what I'm here for, Greg.
I think it will, though. Yeah, it's going to fit. He always keeps me in the straight and narrow. Ooh, I think it fits perfectly. Look how pretty that is. So, you know, when I sew in the signatures and stuff, it will be a much better fit. And I will kind of make sure it's all de-wrinkled and all that.
Oh, it's pretty good, Dave.
That doesn't look half bad. And then it has this piece
Really
as
like
a
that.
tie. So it'll be...
Oh, I like that.
Isn't that pretty? I love how it turned out. So I'm going to show you guys the one other one I have and a couple of, well, another of the ideas. But here's this one. This is how this one's going to turn out. So I love that. And I did have a chance yesterday we got home, well, at 3 or 3:30, and I did have a chance to make one, just to kind of make sure I knew what I was doing. Had an idea. So this one is one of the covers, and I love that. I think that's so pretty. If you were going to put like pockets on the inside, you might want to do that before you sew all the way around it, so that your seam, you know, your stitches don't come out on the outside. I chose not to. If I wanted to, I could go ahead and just put a layer of lace right here. And then if you just sew here, here, and here with like a straight stitch, then you would have 2 pockets too. So I might do that. I haven't got that far. Another one I'm considering doing, this is all the burlap I have left. So another one I'm considering doing is, Miss Cat had sent me this lace, and I think just a cover, a burlap cover with just this lace on it would be really pretty. And then like on the inside, I would probably just do, I might do like a pink or just a burlappy color, and maybe put pink ties on it. I think that would kind of bring in the pink. So that's pretty. And then I have one more that I'm still working on in my head. Yeah.
Did you want to show the
Scary place to go.
crochet pieces?
No. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some idea of how I made this cover, and hopefully, you know, that will help you out. And I think tomorrow we're going to sew in the signatures and finish decorating, and we should be almost done with this. So I'm hoping to be done with all 4 of these by Sunday. So we'll see how that works out. So thanks for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Really helps out our channel. And we'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.
Take care.